Okay, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Mitchell Reese, your Southern Utah Realtor, and today we're going to be taking a tour of downtown Cedar City, a historic downtown, really the heart of the city itself. And as we walk through, you're going to see a lot of local restaurants and cafes, things that really give it its own atmosphere and personality. We're walking past the Cedar City mural on this wall over here, some local businesses across the street. And a lot of people will take pictures in front of there, whether they're just visiting the city, touring it, even local residents, just to leave their mark on the city, post it on social media, show where they've been. And we walked right by Centro, my favorite pizza place in Cedar City. It's absolutely amazing. There's some cool small places like the French Bot to the left. And you'll see it's not a crazy busy downtown. It's still very much in its history looks and really small town vibes. Really shows how it's still a tight-knit community. Lots of events will be held on this street as well as Main, which we will turn left onto. And I hope you guys enjoy this tour because I love taking walks through here, really getting to know the place. Hopefully you get an idea of what places you'd like to visit. So enjoy the tour, guys. But before we get into that, make sure to give me a call if you're interested in moving to a place like this or anywhere else in Southern Utah. We're going to make it as smooth a transition as possible, and we'll make sure you really know the place before you come down. Make sure to like and subscribe and to hit the notification bell as well for my consistent content of both property tours, new construction, and as well as regular beautiful properties, as well as videos about Southern Utah as a whole. Enjoy, guys.